Need to split one recording into 2 files? This workflow is useful when a long recording needs a clean break at one exact timestamp. I will show the complete process, verify what the tool produces, and explain the one limitation that matters. Open Audio Splitter on AudioFetcher. The media processing workflow runs locally in your browser, so the selected file is not uploaded to an AudioFetcher media server. Keep the tab open until the result is ready. Choose a source file. The page confirms the selected item before processing. For tools that accept several inputs, the order shown here is the order used in the result. Place the split point after the start and before the detected end. Use settings that match the destination rather than selecting the largest number automatically. Then start the tool and wait for the local engine to finish. The completed workflow produces 2 downloadable MP3 parts in the correct order. Download or inspect the result before closing the page. The automated AudioFetcher test suite also opens this output with FFprobe and verifies its expected stream properties. Listen around the split point before discarding the source. Keep the original until you have listened to or inspected the result. The direct tool link and a written summary are in the description.